There is a glass mat here, you guys. OMG. It's really quiet in the store today. Ooh, napkins. These ones are kind of cute. Those ones there. Oh, these ones are kind of cute too. Oh, what are these? Those are kind of cute napkins. Party napkins. Those as well. What do we have here? Oh, card making. Oh, those are cute ephemera for your little junk journals for grandkids and babies. Those, they're centerpieces too. You can put those in your books. Ooh, these are good because these you have all of the actual invitations and you can use them as flaps, or the envelopes you can use them as pockets too.
I don't understand the purpose of what do you call it? Ephemera? Ephemera. So if it's a bunch of junk stuff.
Well, you make it look junky.
But you're buying brand new stuff for junk stuff.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Making sure.
Yep. I need some pencils actually. Thank you for reminding me. I need some mechanical pencils. Like
Get the cheap ones.
I am gonna get the cheap ones for the Dollarama. They're all cheap. No, I don't want sharpenable. Sharpeningable. I want just regular pencils. Where are they? Now these, I still haven't found my pencils. These will make great little ephemera. You put them half in your books, right? They're not really my jam for what I'm doing right now, but like these two, you can put these, bind them as your I don't remember what they call it when you make little sections for your books. I don't remember what they're called. Oh, mechanical pencils. Are there more? Are there pink ones? That's it? Just those?
Well, these ones.
Yeah, I don't like those. I find that those,
they
break.
Gel pens, or are they?
They break. Well, there's pencils that look like those and they break really easily. Yeah, I don't like those. They break. These ones tend to be better. Okay. Ooh, this would be cute. Just little pieces of paper you can tear off just for journaling, right? Those are cute little journal pages. They'd be easy to distress. There's a few different kinds. Oh, that one's really cute. One with a tiger. I think I'm gonna get this one for journaling. That would be cute journal on pages. Index cards. These are great for, oh look at, they have a rainbow one. Oh, that's kind of cool. Actually, you know what? I want one of these pads that's yellow. Hun, see if you can find one of these that's all yellow. But here they have colored index cards, regular index cards. I'm gonna grab a regular. I'm sure I have some somewhere, but now I have more. Oh, here, dear. This is really cute. Yellow and a pink one and a green one. I mean, how did they know I was coming? Pink and green. I don't know if I really want pink and green in my book though. I do like this one. What's this? Oh, if your name begins with G, that'd be good. Ephemera. A P. Okay, this one's really good. You're like a kid. You're so annoying. Go away. It's like a kid. This is what I live with. These would make good, I don't remember what they call that when they do an insert, like a section, section thing inside of your ephemera book or junk journal or whatever the heck. I'm so new at this. Ooh, adult coloring. Those might make cool. Oh, hun, there's like an old-fashioned vehicle in this one.
I don't need another one because I have several pages that you're supposed to color yours.
I know, but some of these would make great little pages in a book. I don't know. What did you guys think? Should I have got that? I think I'm going to leave it here, but maybe I should have got it. Oh, I like this one because this is kind of like, these pages are, they're kind of like construction type paper. I'm going to grab that one. And then this one looks like really wide pages. Oh yeah, this has got some really big pages in it. Yeah, let's grab one of those. Doodle paper. I like the look of this paper. It's kind of like, it's kind of thin, and it's kind of feels like paperback book. But here, look at this one. Remember these when we were kids? Oh, this is really cool. That's a good find. Is there any more type things like that? This is the same as the other one. So they have lots of those tablets here. So I'm gonna grab one of those. Honey, are you finding anything?
No.
Now these are kind of nice to, oh, the butterflies. Oh, you guys, look at this. Okay, honey, you have to come here. Just aim at that spot right there. I just want to pull it. There we go. Those ones. Oh, they have pink ones. So that's great ephemera. That was a good find. These are very cool. They're like little wooden. Those would be really cute. I think I see some hummingbirds here. Oh, so pretty, right? This here, the glue residue eraser. Every crafter needs one of those. Here, look at these one. These are great ephemera right here. 1, 2. So those are good.
Can I see that?
Yeah, absolutely.
Do you see chalk anywhere?
Check the kids section, like where all the coloring books and everything are, maybe.
Perfect, thank you.
Okay, fastener dots. These would be good to open and close little flaps and stuff. Little tassels, if you want to put little tassels on things. What colors do they have? They're all the same colors, but I mean, they're not my colors. He's being so patient. Shh, don't say anything. There's a pug. Here's a really cool stencil. I don't even think I could make that for $1.20. Well, I could make it for $1.25, but you know what? It's already made, so why not grab it? Cards and envelopes, you can use these. I should get some of those because they're very inexpensive and you can just junk them up so easily. Look at these labels. These are great labels. These are great. These are great. This is super cute. Look at these here. There's another one. Oh, look at that one with the hydrangeas. Todd's left me. He's gone somewhere else. Those are cute. There's just so many in here. I think I got one of each now. Cupcakes. Todd's disappeared. And I'm only like halfway through the store. Ooh, this would be cute all the way down a page. I saw someone doing an unboxing and apparently they use, ooh, this one's kind of rubbery actually. This is like shelf liner. That's kind of interesting. Look at this one. It's kind of like a soft rubbery. Oh, I think we might have to try that. But they also use this stuff and I have some of this at home. Oh, I don't have that one. That one's super pretty. It's contact paper, but I think I'll skip it for this time. I noticed these, and I have some of those at home. And actually, these ones look a little more vanilla than those ones. And I think mine are really, really white, but that's okay. I can tea dye them. Mr. Inky Fingers, you're so patient. Something snuck its way. Did it just jump into the cart?
Fell off.
Well, you've been a good boy, so you can have it. You're welcome. These are good big brushes to wipe off your workstations. I have this one. This here would make a really neat page in your book, actually. Oh, that would be a really cool looking page. How much are these? For $1.50? That's kind of a nice page. So is this one. Oh, signatures. That's what they call them. Signatures. I really like this one though. Yeah, this one for sure. This one here too. Okay, here's some really cute stickers here. I really like those. For $1.75. 3 sheets. Okay, so extra stickers there. Extra stickers there. Yeah, I want it I would have paid $1.75 just for the front. Oh, look at these little stickers, you guys. I have to have 2 of those. Those are nice, long journaling pages. Oh, I'm gonna get that one. And this one, look at these little heart notebooks. Let's grab that. Here's a Peter Rabbit book. Peter Rabbit is cute. Oh, these are cute. Oh, look at these sentiments. It's worth it just for like the sentiments in here. Oh yeah. Okay, how much is this one? Okay, look at this. This is a keychain with a heart, but you know what? That would look really cute with a picture. Look at my green finger. I've been crafting a picture of you and your sweetie in there, and I think I just got inspired to make a couples junk journal. Yeah, why not? Hi, honey.
Hi.
Mr. Inky Fingers, did you get everything donated to Wins?
I did.
Oh, fantastic. Did they take it all?
Yeah, they took it all.
They took it all. All the donations. Yay. Ooh. These are pretty eggs. They won't go in a book though. Oh, this is awesome. I love that sign. That is so perfect. Sort today, wash later, fold eventually, iron. I never iron. I have to have it. $4. Look at these. That's pretty paper. Oh, that'd be such pretty. Is that paper? What does it say? Sheets. Oh. What does the lavender one look like? No, I don't really care for that. Do you guys like that one? I don't like that one. But I think this one, this would be really cool. You could just tear it, put it in, depending on how much it is. I mean, and then the box too is super cute. $4. How long is it? 16 sheets. Why don't they put stuff in inches? I hate centimeters. I'm going to take a gamble on this and see what it looks like. Owls. These little tags, they're wooden. They're not too thick. Let's get a tags. $1.25. Do not buy posties here. They don't stick. They suck. Look at the burlap. That's cool. There is a glass mat here, you guys. OMG. This is a glass mat for only $4, and it's white. You know how many times I want just the whole mat to be white? Oh my gosh, I have to get that. It's only $4, you guys. Dollarama. I almost want to get 2 of these. I almost want to get a second one and put it away. I'm going to get a second one in case I ever break that one. So many of you guys ask me where I get these, and there's pink, blue, silver, gold, and black. And they're here, and they're so cheap, $1.25. I have a bunch of these too. I don't have this one, but I find the pinks in there really magenta-like, and I don't like that. Shaker cards. Look at these shaker bits. Look at this faux fur. Faux fur in your junk journal. Hello. Oh yeah, gotta have faux fur. And there's another one. Look at that one. Oh my gosh. Ooh, those would be cool to put in a signature. And then you could cut the end off and have a pocket on one side and a pocket on the other side. Nice and long. They're 2 for $1.50. Oh yeah, let's get 2, hun. Oh, I think I like that one better. Yeah, can't get me that one way up there, hun. Honey bunny. And then this one. Is that the same pattern? I kind of like the same pattern in the gold, I think. That one's kind of nice too, though, right here. Oh, but that's only one. I'm at the thrift store because I came to look for a book of sheet music over there in the books, but there isn't one, so I am looking These are card storage. I'm looking to see if there's anything that I can find that I can't live without. I don't really see anything I'm looking for. Didn't we just see this at the Dollar Tree? It's like, you know what? They buy it and then donate it. That's hilarious. But I don't really see. This is such an old book, or it looks like an old book. Christmas Kids Catalog. Oh my gosh. Yep. Okay, sold. What else do they got? Oh my gosh, I have this book. Loonies and Toonies on Market Street. This might be a cute one too. Oh, it's got that really cool pink or crinkle paper over it. Oh my gosh, this is so perfect. Yes, we have to have that book. Junk Journal Heaven. Oh, I thought that said Anna Green Gables. Havana. Oh, love me my Havana. I think we'll be getting that one as well. And it looks like we got the best of them. Those were some really good finds, actually. And I'm almost tempted to get this just for junk journaling some of the pages in it, because it's a journal, but I mean, it's what you make for your daughter, right? But they're like, look at some of these pages. I might see how much it's worth. Let's go to the cash register.
Books are 75 cents.
Oh wow, 75 whole cents. I will take them all.